Hi friends, my name is Shubha. Wish you all a very happy new year. This is our happy new year special video. Today we are not continuing our Python playlist. Today we will make a simple clock using Python. Let's start. First of all, create a new folder, Python clock. Then create a Python file. Create a Python file, main.py. Then open it with a text editor. Okay, then let's start. First of all, we need to import tkinter. That's why type from tkinter import all. From tkinter we need to import all. From tkinter import all. Okay, sorry, f is small. Then from tkinter import all. Then we need to import tkinter.ttk. That's what type from tkinter.ttk import all. Okay, then we need to import time from time. Okay, from time import strftime. Okay, strftime. Then create a variable root equals to, then type root, then root equals to capital TTK. Then start first bracket and close first bracket. Okay, then we need to give a title of our program. That's why type root equals to, root dot title. Okay, root dot title. Then start first bracket, then start second quote, then give a title. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Special clock. Okay, close second quote, then close first bracket. Then create a variable label. Okay, label equals to label. Okay, then first bracket root, label equals to label root, then comma. Then we need to import, get a front, import a front. That's why type label, then front front equals to start first bracket, then start second quote, then you need to install this front. Okay, I will give this front in the description below. I will give this front's download link in the description below. Just click in the font, just click the file, then install it. Okay, let's import the normal font. This is ds-digital. Okay, ds-digital. Then click, then type second quote, then close first bracket. Okay, no, first bracket, then we need to give a background color of our program. That's why type background equals to, then type background equals to start double quote, then write a color's name, gray, then close it, then put a comma, then type foreground equals to cane. Okay, start double quote, then cane, then cane, then close double quote. Okay, then close first bracket. Yeah, that's okay. Okay, then we need to create, then type label dot pack. Yeah, label dot pack, then start first bracket. Yeah, we need to set our program in the center. That's why type label dot pack, then start first bracket, then type anchor equals to then first quote, then center, then close first quote, then close first bracket. Okay, then we need to create a function for our clock. Yeah, that we need to create a function for our clock. That's why type def time, then start first bracket, then close first bracket, then type colon, then type string. Yeah, string equals to strf time, yeah, sorry, string equals to strf time, then start first bracket, then start first quote, then again end first quote, then end second bracket, then type percentage capital H clone, then type again H is for hour, then again percentage, then capital M is for minute, yeah, then again percentage, then S is for second. Okay, H is for hour, M is for minutes, S is for seconds. Then for AM and PM, type percentage and small p. Okay, this code is for 24 hours format. For 12-hour format, replace the age type I. Okay, yeah, I think capital I. Okay, then our second function is label dot config then start first bracket, then text equals to string. String is this. Okay, is this. Then close first bracket, that is. Okay, close first bracket. Then after this, type label dot after, then start first bracket, then type 1000. 1000 means 1 second, then comma, then time, then close first bracket. Okay, then our last thing is time. Type time, then start first bracket, then close first bracket. Then our next thing is main loop, then start first bracket, start end first bracket. Okay, that's all. Let's run it, save it, not this, yeah, open terminal and type python 3, then python.py, python 3 main.py. 1 minute, one mistake. Check most main.py in line 8. Label root. Yeah. Oh, sorry, one thing. Sorry. For G R is missing, then save it again, then open terminal, then type python 3, then main.py. Oh, this is very small. Let's big it. Type here in DS Digital at the site of DS Digital, put a comma and type 1000 or 10,000. Okay, let's run it. Cancel. Open terminal here and type python.python3 then main.py, then type enter. I think it is. Let's see what is the problem. Not 1000. Let's type. Sorry, let's type 100. Pen terminal. Python 3 main.py and press enter. Yeah. This is our call. This is our clock. Our title: Happy New Year special clock. 10. Our time is 10:44 p.m. Yeah, this is. Close it. Hope you like the video. That's all. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for new updates. Wish you all a very happy new year. Thanks.